I'm really honored to be with you at this Aqua lip session.
Yes.
And I have seen you in the picture. Since that day I was thinking of be your student, and I'm lucky enough to be your student. So Aqua lip, it remains for 1 year or 2 years, something.
1-2 years. Some people can be 3 years too.
Oh, wonderful.
But after 1 year, is the color will fade lighter, and they can come and
For
retouch
retouch,
again.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, one more thing I would like to know, that if the lip color naturally is very dark, then how many sittings that person need?
First, we have to correction first, and we can do retouch within 6 to 8 weeks.
Okay.
So around 2 sessions.
Okay, and if the lip is very lighter, so in one session it will
Just
be done.
one session.
Wonderful, wonderful. So thank you very much, Dr. Vania. I'm lucky enough to be your student today, and I hope you'll be happy to see my work as well. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you
hope
so much.
And thank you for to coming to our academy.
Out of your mouth, you wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know we miss your old self too. Silver once golden, there's only so much holding on. You can't take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta. Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' break